Hey guys, I'm outside. It's a beautiful day today. It's a lot of noise. They're building a community behind our house. We've had nothing back there but woods for 25 years. Woods and the animals. So now they're building it up. It's a lot of noise. So I'm outside checking on the plants here. Got some mums over there. Our jalapenos are doing well. Everything's doing good out here. Oh, and then I want to stop. I ordered a new hose here from Amazon, and because the other one was terrible, and it's one of these. It's soft, and it's and it expands. Comes with a nice nozzle, and I like it. Stretch out 5 times of how it looks. It comes in a little pouch, so I wanted to do a review on that. So if you ever go to Amazon, I don't put links up on my channel anymore because people don't buy from me, so I'm not going through all of that. And if they do buy, I don't get enough sales for it to help me. Okay, so everything here is looking well. I'm gonna put some pansies in here. Eggplant. All right, so let's go into the greenhouse. I have to put you guys down for a minute. Okay, I couldn't open that up with one hand. All right, so today's topic is, there's a cabbage moth eating my cabbage plants and my collard plants. The topic of the day is growing your own vegetables. We're all about emergency prepare. Ooh, you just tore that whole half up of this leaf. Tore another one up yesterday. Let me see. I have to spray. Hubby told me to put this dust on there. Going to do that. Okay, so let's stay on topic. The topic of the day is growing our own vegetables. We have to do as much as we can to be as self-sufficient as possible. I'm doing easy stuff. Greens and lettuces are easy to grow because they don't need pollination. And so these I've started some from seeds, but I'm not a big farmer, so I can go and get, it's cost effective for me to get some starts. Went to Home Depot. These are Moor's Head. These are collard greens. Right here, here's cabbage right here. I haven't put those in a pot. Collard greens here, collard greens there, collard greens. Got some collards over here. Oh, and then I didn't show you the lettuces right here. I need to pot those. Lettuce there, lettuce there. You can grow lettuce inside your house. You can just do it just like this. Put it in a pot and get some good soil. You can grow seeds, or you can get some transplants like I did. I'm going to tell you the easy way. If you're just starting out, go to September, early October. They'll have like cold weather crops out. You'll get a cell. Let me show you this. You'll get a cell like this, 6 for like $5.98, almost $6. Like each plant will be $1. Keep it easy. Butter crunch lettuce. You get 6 of these for $1. Okay, and so that's what I did here. And I like grow bags, so I got some grow bags from Amazon over the summer. No, last spring. And so I got put new soil in here, put some new plants in there. Okay, here are my house plants. As long as it's nice out, I'll keep these in here. Okay, so you know, it's easy. Take your plants out of their cell here. See how I'm lifting that up? And put it in a pot full of soil and keep it moist. And make sure you have some drainage holes. Just like here. Here is, these are some plastic grow bags. I like these pretty well, especially for house plants. Just do this. These are 2 gallon. You just put some soil in there. You put, and I grew these. These are from seeds. These are doing well. See these over here? These are doing well in the grow bags, the plastic grow bags. Doing very well. And just keep them moist. Now they'll do better. I keep mine in my grow house, in my greenhouse. You can put them like on your table. If you have a back patio table, put them out there. Let them get some beneficial rainwater. During Hurricane Helene, I took 4 buckets like this and just sat them on my table. And I got gallons of water. And this is rainwater. And I put them in one of these gallon jugs. Got one there, one there. Put them in here. Okay. Let's see. There was something else. Oh, let me see. Probably told me to dust these. I'm using this 7. These little bugs are trying to get my little seedlings, my little starts. I didn't companion plant. I didn't put any marigolds or anything. I do a whole lot in the day, guys. I think I'm kind of winding down, but I'm excited to be with do Vlogtober, because we have a lot to do. So they'll give you an insight on Tanya's Tasteful Table, what we do. This is a lifestyle channel, all about living tastefully for less. I'm a retiree, and so just sharing with you what I do, what it's like. Someone that's been in the workforce since she was 17. Now I'm in my 60s. And you know, all the things you can look forward to. It's a good thing. I worked a long time. Still working. So I retired from like working for other people at this point. But I'm not retired from life. Life is still going. Still paying bills. I still got skills to pay the bills. Get these. So if they're laying eggs on my plants, I'm sorry. We all trying to eat. And that was Garden Tech 7 Insect Killer. It says dust ready to use. Protect your garden, flowers, and lawn from damaging pests. People and pets can return to the treated area once the dust has settled. Okay. All right, so that's all we're doing today. So each day I have a focus, something I need to accomplish, and I just check that off the list. Okay guys, thanks so much for joining me today for Vlogtober. And we took care of our plants, and the topic of today was growing your own vegetables. These are collard greens and cabbage and lettuces in the fall to maintain self-sufficiency. All right. Appreciate your support. If you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the Tastemakers tribe. And thank you all for your continued support. Bye. Bye. See you in my next video.